The bills.
Look at the birds of the air. They do not sow or reap or store away in barns, and yet their heavenly Father feeds them. Are you not more valuable than they?
Oh yeah. I see nobody feeding these ducks or birds or anything. God, you gonna feed these ducks or birds? I don't see them being fed. Would you look at that? Someone's feeding the birds. Excuse me, miss. Can I have a piece of bread?
Are you hungry, mister?
Oh, no. I just wanted to feed the birds, too.
If you're hungry, I would give this.
Oh.
But you can have this.
Oh, that would be great. Thank you, little girl. Put this in here, save it for later. Make a sandwich. Looks like someone's got some churro. Get me some of that churro. Excuse me, miss. Can I have a piece of your churro?
Are you hungry, mister?
Oh, I mean bread. I just want to feed the ducks.
Oh, then here you go.
Thank you, little girl. Put this piece of bread in here. All right. All right, now, whoa! Oh, that was so nice of that little girl to give me a piece of bread. Now I can make my sandwich. That bread's kind of hard. Now, let's take a bite of this sandwich. Fed the birds today. Then you fed me. Guess you're gonna take care of these bills too. Thank you,
Lord, Homie has learned to use faith today.
Good. Keep feeding him.
Yes, Lord.